Sobrang close siya. Side to side. Ay!
Kamusta po yung samahan nyo ngayon?
Okay naman. Masaya naman kami yung magkasama.
Patibay naman ang patibay. Parang first time yata namin kumanta para sa...
For a brand.
Yeah, for a brand.
Yes.
So thank you Chowking for making this happen. I'm sure marami silang napasaya.
Kamusta po yung feeling? Anong naramdaman nyo?
Siyempre masaya, siyempre excited, and naramdaman talaga namin ang Chowly Day experience.
Ako parang it's a perfect time to jumpstart the holiday season, and I'm happy na first Christmas tree actually na nakita ko for the year and the light up. So it's a very happy and warm feeling.
Speaking of projects,